Google doesn't like AI generated content because it's probably going to be low quality, correct? I mean, using AI to create content isn't fundamentally bad, but what happens is most probably it's low quality. Well, here is the irony. Brandon posted this patent on LinkedIn recently. So Google has a patent that generates AI built landing pages that replaces yours when your site doesn't meet their quality threshold. So I'm just trying to think, how bad do your website need to be so it gets replaced by an AI generated page? And then Glenn Gabe on Twitter said, if you thought AIO angered people, just wait for AI generated landing pages from Google. Yes, Google could create new landing pages from the SERPs if yours isn't good enough based on this patent. And it could be used for advertising and organic. So basically, the system would calculate a landing page score for the organization existing website. This score evaluates how well the current page meets the user specific needs. Yeah, here's the patent. So let's talk about it a bit and break down a lot of the details, how the system works, what signals Google uses to decide which businesses get this treatment, what's actually on these AI generated pages. So let's start with the system and how it works. So, step one, user types a query in Google from their device. Importantly, this device is tied to a user account. Anyways, step two, Google generates a normal search result page, business as usual. And then step three, Google then calculates what the patent calls a landing page score for the top result, right? Specifically, the first landing page associated with the first organization in those results. So if you're ranking first, for some reason, you have a potential of getting your landing page replaced. And then step four, if that landing page score exceeds a specific threshold, Google generates an updated search results page. And on this search results page, there is a new navigation link to an AI generated page for that organization. Okay? And then the landing page score. So, as we said, user types a query, Google generates a normal search result, and then takes the first result and calculates a page score. And if the page score is above a specific threshold, this is where a decision is made for Google to create an AI generated page. So, how is this page score created? If we scroll down a bit, there's a lot of information, of course, but um, some of the things I found interesting along the way is the AI generated page includes a call to action button. So this can happen to that in some instances, the AI generated page includes a CTA to a product page of a product associated with the first organization. In some instances, the AI generated page includes a product feed that provides an overview of a product associated with the first organization. So the first organization is the first result in the SERPs, right? In some instances, the AI generated page includes an AI chatbot. In some instances, each component of the AI generated page is annotated with dynamically generated content based on the user query. So if you're wondering, okay, what is this AI generated page gonna have? It may have a CTA, it may have a product feed that has an overview of a product associated with products of your on your website. It can have an AI chatbot. It can have an annotation that is dynamically generated based on user query. So these are some of the things to expect in this AI generated page. And then comes the part about the landing page score. In some instances, the landing page score is determined based on conversion rate associated with the first landing page. So here's the first clue here. The page score can be determined based on the conversion rate. In some instances, the landing page score is determined based on a bounce rate of the first landing page. Again, another way the landing page score can be calculated, it can be based on bounce rate, and bounce rate is back in the game. I mean, it has been important depending on how you think about it, but and Google has said they don't use it for ranking and analyzing user experience, but I mean, maybe they're not using the exact bounce rate in GA4, but something similar. But anyways, So yeah, this can also be used to calculate whether your page should be replaced by an AI-generated landing page or not. In some instances, the landing page score is determined based on a click-through rate, okay? And then in some instances, the landing page score is determined based on a qualitative factor, the qualitative factor being page design quality or content quality. I think these four things here explain what is a good quality page and what is a page that Google decides it should be replaced. So the conversion rate of your page, the bounce rate of your page, this is going to annoy a lot of people, but anyways, CTR, and then qualitative factor for the design quality and the content quality, right? So I think this is the main takeaway for us here. Obviously, no one would like their page to be replaced by an AI generated page. But let's wait and see. But the clue for us, or the useful information that we can act on right now, is that these four things are the things Google used to calculate a score and assess whether your page should be replaced or not. And why is Google replacing that, right? Like if we go back, why is Google doing this calculation? The landing pages may be difficult to navigate, which can reduce the user experience. For example, a user may struggle to navigate a landing page to purchase a product when the landing page has a user interface that is not efficiently designed for usability and engagement. So these are the reasons Google decided to calculate that score. And this score is calculated based on those four things. Yeah. Hope you found this useful and see you next video.